Hey, what's up, everybody? Cledus T. Judd here at my buddy Bill Cole's Kia dealership, and I'm here with Josh. Josh, how's it going, buddy?
Doing good, buddy.
Let me tell you something. You talking about a sweet ride right here. This Kia Sorento, you ain't gonna see one like it. Tell us all about this thing, Josh. You don't care.
This is a 23 EX X-Line Sorento. You've got third row seating. The X-Line will give you the raised roof rails, the wheels. This one's gonna have factory navigation. It's got a 2.5 turbo liter engine in it.
He said turbo, that means vroom, vroom, vroom.
And of course, you've got all the safety features Kia is famous for. You've got blind spot detection in the mirrors. You've got lane departure warning. You've got smart cruise control, wireless phone charger. You've got a panoramic sunroof in it. Captain seats in your second row.
Man, we were talking a little bit about the color of this thing too. You're saying it doesn't show road salt and all that kind of stuff either.
Not a bit, not a bit.
What's this called? Do you know what it's called?
This is Wolf Gray.
Wolf Gray, man, that's probably my favorite color on any vehicle out right now. Let's check out the very back here. Got third row seating?
Absolutely. With the option, if you need the additional cargo space, these fold down super easy, and you also have a quick fold down button for your second row as well.
Man, you know, back in the day when I was younger, sometimes you had to have a college degree to figure out how to get all these seats let down.
Absolutely.
Now it's just a pull of the belt or a push of the button.
They've made it as convenient as possible.
You get a lot of people in this thing. So y'all come on down, see my boy Josh, see him, the salesman down here at Bill Cole Kia. Check out the Sorento. You ain't gonna beat the prices, I promise you. Y'all come on down. Thanks, pal.
Appreciate it.
You got it, buddy. Thank you.